Most beautiful Turkish actresses who got married with billionaire. Number 1. Bensu Sorel, age 33 years. Bensu Sorel fed Hakan Bash, the Turkish national previous record holder team for swimming in 2018. Following years of employment, banking, and investment experience in the US and Turkey, as well as completion of management courses, Hakan Bash started his own business and was often chosen as the year's finest entrepreneur. He started Peak Games, which is currently the third biggest social game firm globally. In 2016, Hakan Bash was chosen as one of the 100 most influential figures in the development of global technology. In addition to running his own business, Bear Media Group, he is a member of the boards of Fenerbahce Sports Club, Social Ban, and the Turkish Entrepreneurship Foundation. Number 2. Hande Subashi, age 40 years. This actress and a businessman named Alikan Ulusoy, a graduate in business management and the owner and chairman of the worldwide investment Ulusoy holding firm. A renowned corporation in Turkey and outside, have been romantically involved for about 2 years. Number 3. Ezgi Mola, age 41 years. In 2023, Ezgi Mola met a man named Mustafa Aksakali. Mustafa is an extremely prosperous businessman who also owns numerous lavish and wonderful entertainment venues in Kuşadası and Izmir. In collaboration with Ezgi, Mustafa has built a recreation area in Alaçatı called Boop. Number 4. Emine Gülşe Özil, age 31 years. In 2019, Mesut Özil, a well-known and professional football player among football fans who has earned numerous accolades and played for renowned teams like Real Madrid and Arsenal, married Emine. He recently became a member of Fenerbahce, a Turkish club. The predicted net worth of Mesut Özil until 2021 is $120 million. Number 5. Pelin Krahan, age 40 years. Pelin met Patrick Kunte, a prosperous businessman and graduate of business management, in 2014. Who is the chairman of the sizable cleaning and service business Yenigun? This businessman frequently presents his wife with pricey presents that garner media attention. Number 6. Selma Ergeç, age 46 years. Selma wed Ken Oz in 2015. He was the son of Ken Publishing's founder Edward Oz. Ken Oz now owns one of Turkey's oldest and most prominent publishing houses. Number 7. Nur Fatehoglu, age 44 years. This actress wed Levent Veziroglu, a well-known and wealthy businessman, in 2013, but they have been apart for a year. This well-known entrepreneur, who graduated with a master's degree in economics from an American university, has served in significant role at the International Monetary Fund as a senior advisor and deputy auditor or treasurer. Number 8. Jada Atish, age 36 years. After her relationship with Bugra Toplusoy went through several ups and downs, finally in 2018, Jada wed him. The son of renowned businessman Turgut Toplusoy Bugra, as well as the proprietor of the Turkish Roman brand stores, was serving as both general coordinator and CEO. Number 9. Burcu Biricik, age 35 years. Emre Yetkin is her spouse and the two were joined in marriage in 2016. Emre Yetkin is well known in Turkey for his advertising work and works in the advertising sector. In addition to being a professional photographer, he is well known for his stunning images and films that he posts on social media while traveling the world.